Welcome to the Cryptomus channel. Today, we will have a look at how you can earn money together with Cryptomus through the completion of small tasks. To get started, log into your Cryptomus account. If you don't have one yet, go through a simple registration process. You can log in with your Timekeeper or Telegram account, and now also with Google. On the dashboard page, switch to your personal wallet. Then in the upper right corner, find the Account Settings and go to the Awards tab. On this page, you can see the tasks themselves and your rewards. To start working on the tasks, you need to pass KYC. If you've already done it, congratulations! You can start completing tasks. For those who haven't, we recommend doing it, as it will allow you to enjoy all the benefits of our platform. The tasks are easy to complete. Let's try one of them. To receive a reward of 1 CPT, we need to link our Telegram profile to our Cryptomus profile. Then, activate the Cryptomus Telegram bot and use it as a personal wallet. By connecting your Telegram, you can also use it for logging into the platform. That's it! Now you can start completing tasks and earning bonuses. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the updates and how they work.